Dagi spangot kina school bagi nongshong shinong kinong trei sorkar klesi menta hak jiyai pa ba menta kasngi khatsau trik naibing ar rusan kebla tip kum gajing yai naga menta gajing yatli kebla pelong hasor ampati menta kasngi banrakhe yak jing dap chis pa sanpusnem kasngi kha Menteri Kampoing Banukong Kari India Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Ya kan kejinjai ba las dang na office jangka deputy commissioner hak jingalam mat jangka DC ka Hema Nayak Uspendan Kipulit Wikas Burma ki officer naga district le simata hak kejinjai ba naga banta kejinjai teli ya kejinjai lapan kod ha ampati student field hak jingkran ka deputy commissioner ka Hema kalong ba kana kejinjai ba naga banta kejinjai teli menta kasni hapok ka district kaya tengku ru bar kasngi buram jong kena kalong ba kamper banyo yo no alam kum usadar patel bala sandur ya kari shwa banyo ya kejinlai luj bar hadin bala yo ya kejinlai luj demu bala sandur ya ka all india service hakane kasngi kan mau buram yo te ru kraw lapan kan mau ya baro ban shim ya karai ban trei namta kari
all the heads of departments, our staff, and also all my dear students and children. First of all, I would like to wish all the students here a very happy Children's Day. Incidentally, this Unity March and Children's Day are coinciding, and this is one of the happiest moments for us at the district administration to organize this program in collaboration with our district sports office. So this we are celebrating entire month of November and also December, and these type of programs are going on in all the states of India. This is to celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You must be studying in your history textbooks. Sardar ji was instrumental not only in pre-independence but in post-independence, and he was one of the very few leaders who could achieve that, who could contribute as much as towards the independence, then again after the post-independence also.
In Atmanirbhar Bharat and to inspiring others to do the same. Thank you.